Each one of us has desires, our very own list of dreams and longings. Creation may have its own blueprint for us, but our personal desires cannot be easily wished away. They may be extravagant or mundane, ambitious or trivial. They may be inconvenient, they may be too personal to share, but they are ours, and for us, they are real, they are precious, they are urgent, and deeply significant. Here is a rare offering from Sadhguru, a mystic who embodies the wisdom and clarity of profound realization. It is an offering that enables each one of us to become our own alchemist, that empowers us to transform long-cherished desires into reality. Sadhguru offers this with the intention that once these desires are fulfilled, we will turn towards the larger goal of our ultimate well-being.
Be the maker of your own destiny. As humans, all that we have created is just a manifestation of our minds. So the most important part of creating what you want is to first manifest it within the mindscape. What is powerfully established in the mindscape is bound to find manifestation in actuality. Chit Shakti meditations are tools to create what you desire in the mindscape and in turn in reality. A way of creating and manifesting what you really care for in your life. May you know the power of being the master of your own destiny. Keep your hands and legs uncrossed. Place your hands upon your thighs, facing upward, loosely placed. Close your eyes, sit comfortably. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, relax into it. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, relax even more into it. Take one more deep breath. This time, the relaxation should be total. Now, tense your feet alone. Tense, tense, tense. Relax. Now tense your calf muscles only, above your ankle, below the knee. Tense, tense, tense. Relax. Now tense your thigh muscles. Tense, tense, tense. Relax. Tense your hip and stomach muscles. Tense, tense, tense. Relax. Now tense the muscles on your chest, shoulders, and your back. Tense, tense, tense. Hold the tension. Relax. Tense both your arms. Tense, tense. Make a fist and create tension. Tense, tense. Relax. Tense your neck muscles. Tense, tense, tense. Relax. Tense the muscles on your face and the back of your head. Make a face and create tension. Tense, tense, tense. Relax. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, relax. Feel relaxation spreading right through your body, from the top of your head down to your toes. See yourself standing just outside your own home. See it clearly. Feel the space around you. And see that your body is becoming lighter and lighter by the moment. Your body is becoming so light, it is beginning to float. You are floating 2 feet above the ground. Feel it and see. You are floating 2 feet above the ground and continuing to float upward. Now you are floating 10 feet above the ground. Look around and see how it feels. Now you are 25 feet above the ground. Look down at your own home and the street in which you live. See how it feels. Now you are 50 feet above the ground. Look down, look around, feel and see. You are 100 feet above the ground. See how it feels. You are 500 feet above the ground. See how it feels. 500 feet above the ground. Just look down at the whole area. Feel the breeze. Just see how it feels. 1,000 feet above the ground. See how it feels. You're beginning to move sideways. You're beginning to travel away from the place where you took off, rapidly moving away. Feel the strong breeze upon your face. See how it feels to be floating and moving in the air. Very rapidly, you're moving away from the place where you took off, and you see a densely forested area, a very green and beautiful forest. You are floating over the forest. Look down and see the wonderful valley beneath you. And the very beauty of the valley draws you, and you are starting to descend. You are 800 feet above the ground and descending further. See how it feels. Going down into the valley. 500 feet. 300 feet. Just feel the beautiful valley around you. 100 feet. 50 feet. The sounds, the smell, the energy of this beautiful valley. Just feel it. Just 10 feet above the ground, 2 feet above the ground. Now you are standing in an enchanting valley. You can hear the gentle lilt of running water, the birds. Just feel and see the sounds, the smells, and the energy. Feel the embrace of Mother Earth. Feel the embrace of Mother Earth. It is in her loving lap of absolute giving that your life is nurtured. Nurtured in the lap of her love, your own love can blossom. Remind yourself of the most loving and tender moment in your life. Remind yourself of the most loving and tender moment in your life. Relive it. Feel it. See that the love that you feel is radiating from within yourself. See that the love that you feel is radiating from within yourself. Allow this love energy to radiate and envelop the dearest ones in your life. See that your willingness to include is the basis for your love. Your willingness to include is the basis for your love. Include all your friends and people that you know, like your neighbors, those whom you work with. See this clearly, that your ability to love is just your willingness to include. It does not need any capability. You are perfectly capable. There is nothing particular to do. Love is not what you do. Love is what you are. Become love. Love is not what you do. Love is what you are. Become love. In becoming love, you become like a fragrant flower. In becoming love, you become like a fragrant flower. Everyone seeks to be with you. Everyone seeks to be with you. See that your love energy is radiating to all around you. See that your love energy is radiating to all around you. Everyone is drawn to the fragrance of your love. Your love energy is radiating all around you, and everyone is drawn to the fragrance of your love. See that you have perfectly harmonious relationships with all that you need to. Love is who you are. All are drawn to you. Love is who you are, and all are drawn to you. Riga pari sani pari, Riga pari sani pasa, Riga pari sani pari, Riga pari sani pasa, Riga pari sani pari, Riga pari sani pasa.